Menteri rang ba kajala kon rak ke Sangma ka sing thoding ulong ba ukwa ban pen shai hadin ba ki ladan bun bah ki ba kali ba ki dan ki college ki ba yo priang ki shiti la ki kwa ne ban pyniasoh la ni affiliate but ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University abakran bikila pathai ku bor Menteri rang ba ulong ba ukwa ban pen shai shaki college but sha ki pai ba baro ba ki college ki dan la ka jong kaman banjit lagi kwa ban pyniasoh bat ka school ba nehu ni bat ka USTM lani bat ka Williamson Sangma State University.
Entire issue of CUET, the university is necessary for important aspects of research, important aspects of education and different departments coming in. So therefore this is a very important step and a very memorable day for us, and that's why we're giving it the importance. I also want to clarify, because many people have asked me about this, that they have the colleges have received letters from the university asking them they wish to affiliate to this Captain Williamson Sangma State University. I would like to clarify to the colleges and to the citizens at large that colleges have to affiliate to a university. It is their choice if they want to affiliate to NEHU, or they would like to affiliate to USTM, or they would like to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. They can affiliate to any university that they wish to, which is of course recognized. And so there is no compulsion for anybody to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. We are giving you the option to affiliate to us. What happens when you affiliate to us? The only and the most biggest advantage, of course, is that number one, you'll be working with the state government, and not with the center in terms of the different requirements that are there for affiliation. So you'll be with the state government, and state government, will look at the local conditions and give the affiliation. So it's much easier process, and it's more accessible. Number two, most important, is that the colleges who continue to affiliate to NEHU, they will have to, or the students who are seeking admission to colleges affiliated to NEHU will have to give the CUET exam. So therefore, next year in the academic session, when the admissions take place, if a particular college is still affiliated to NEHU, if the students come and request me to exempt them from CUET, I will not be able to do that anymore, because the pretext for us, our exemption, was that we did not have a state university. We were the only state in the country, I think, where it does not have a state university. And that happened because we had NEHU. We never felt the need, and in the past it was not required. But then when CUET issue came up, we immediately felt the need to have a state university. And that's why we have written letters to the colleges that if they wish to desire to affiliate with us, please affiliate. If you wish to continue with NEHU, please continue. We are not forcing you. It's completely your decision. But as I said, CUET exemption will not be there. Colleges that are affiliated to the state university and students who apply, for example, if there is a Nong Talang College, the Nong Talang College, suppose, is affiliated to NEHU today. If they affiliate to state Captain Williamson Sangma University tomorrow, then the students applying to Nong Talang will not have to give CUET exam anymore. It's as simple as that. But as I said, if they still are having doubt and they wish to continue with NEHU, please continue. We are not forcing you. But exemption from CUET in the next academic year will not be there.